What's up, guys? Today I have here the Soundcore Space Q45 wireless noise cancelling headphone. Recently I have seen the praise for the quality, affordability and the popularity of Soundcore headphones, and this has awakened my curiosity. When I saw the Black Friday price reduction opportunity, I decided to make it a necessity to buy, try out and review the new Soundcore Space Q45 wireless noise cancelling headphone. Soundcore has made some bold claims about this headphone. According to Soundcore, this affordable headphone has transparency mode, great call quality, highly detailed sound quality, 50 hours of battery life, an active noise cancellation that can cancel up to 98% of noise, and a multi-point connection. We will find out if all of these claims are true. In this video, I will unbox and review the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone. I will talk about the design, the fit and comfort, the app, the battery life, all the features, the sound quality, and there will be a microphone test. So sit down, relax, and let me give you my honest review of the Soundcore Space Q45 wireless noise cancelling headphone. Let's get started. I will appreciate it if you can support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start with the unboxing by taking off the wrapper. If you open the box, you will find the headphone case inside the box. Inside the headphone case, you will find the headphone. I like the design of the headphone, but let's put the headphone aside. We will get back to the headphone later. Inside the headphone case, you also get a 3.5mm audio jack cable, a short USB Type-C cable, the quick start guide, and the product information. This is everything you get inside the box. Moving on from the unboxing to the design, let's first look at the design of the case before the headphone. The case of the headphone has a smooth surface and an oval shape. It does pick up some fingerprints that takes a few seconds for the fingerprints to disappear. The case is small and lightweight. The toughness of the case is not the best, and I did hear some cracking sound when I was testing how durable the case is, but I believe the case is good enough to protect the headphone. Looking at the headphone, it is nicely designed and appealing. It has an audio port for a wired connection and buttons to control the headphone, because this headphone does not support touch controls, and there is a USB Type-C port for charging the headphone. Moving on to the build quality. The headphone is mostly plastic, and this is what it sounds like when I did my testing. The top of the headband is made of metal. Despite the plastic build quality, I think this headphone is durable and I believe it will last long. There is a very minimal padding on the headband, and you can adjust the headband to fit your head. Each level of adjustment make a clamping noise. Listen to it. The ear pads are very soft and thick, and that is one of the things I like about this headphone. Look at how the ear pads slowly return to their normal shape. The ear caps are big and bigger than some of the headphones out there. Here is a size comparison of the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone to the School Candy Crusher Evo and the Sony SB900N for those that are interested. The Q45 headphone has the biggest ear cap. I will give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 8 out of 10 for the design, Moving on to the app and features, the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone have app support. When you open the app and you connect the headphone to the app takes you to a page that allows you to see your headphone's name, the battery percentage, and give you access to fully control the headphone. You can use the app to control the ambient sound. You can switch between active noise cancellation, the normal mode, and the transparency mode. When you are in transparency mode, you can customize the transparency. You can set the transparency mode to talk mode to enhance voices, or you can set the transparency mode to the level you want. There is a save volume feature for the app to check for how loud the current volume of your music is in decibels. You can set a limit for the app to lower your music, even if you turn up the volume on your phone. When you tap on the eye icon up there, you can see more information about the type of noise levels. Let's go back to the home page and check out the controls feature. The controls feature page allows you to customize the ANC button to your liking. You can even customize the ANC button to turn the bass on and off when you press on the ANC button twice. Let's go back to the home page and check out the sound effects below the home page. Let's choose the default. The default sound equalizer page contains a lot of sound settings to choose from. Only the Soundcore signature sound setting allow you to turn on the bass up feature, and this is very bad. All the other sound settings have weak bass. Let's go back and check out the custom sound settings. The custom sound settings allows you to set up your own sound using the graphic sound equalizer, and you can give that sound setting a name and save it. If we go back to the home page and tap on the settings icon at the top right side of the home page, we can access more settings. Let's start with the sound mode. The sound mode allows you to choose LDEC or combine audio and connection quality. I have tested the LDEC and it does not improve the sound quality, so I decided to choose the combined audio and connection quality to save battery life and improve the Bluetooth connection. The next setting is the wind noise setting. The wind noise setting works with the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode to reduce wind noise when one of those two features is turned on. Below the wind noise reduction feature, there is a devices list. Inside the devices list, you can turn on the dual devices connection and connect the headphone to two devices at the same time. As you can see, I have connected the headphone to two devices at the same time. Let's go back. Below the devices list, there is a prompt tone feature. Inside the prompt tone feature, you can turn on and off the voice prompt for the ambient sound switch and the battery alert. Let's go back. Below the prompt tone, there is an auto power off feature. Inside the auto power off feature, you can choose how long you want the headphone to be on before the headphone auto power off if it is not in use for some time. Below the auto power off feature, you can check for software updates and update the headphone. There is a help and feedback section if you need any help with your headphone. After unboxing the headphone, I spent 2 months using and testing the headphone so that I can give you accurate information about the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone. Starting with the fit and comfort, when you put this headphone on, it grabs your head tightly and you feel a lot of pressure around your ears. The fit is very good. I will give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 9 out of 10 for the fit. When it comes to the comfort, the Q45 headphone is not that comfortable because of how tight it grabs your head and the pressure you feel around your ears. It takes some time to get used to it. I would give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 7 out of 10 for how comfortable the headphone is. You are awesome. I am trying to build a community full of awesome people like you. I will appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel and be part of my awesome subscribers. When it comes to the battery life, I believe the 50 hours of battery life that Soundcore claim the Q45 headphone have is true, because throughout the 2 months of using and testing the headphone, I charged the headphone only 3 times, and that's impressive. I think the battery life is very impressive, although I didn't use the headphone for a long time every day, and most of the time the ANC was off. I would give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 8 out of 10 for the battery life. Moving on to the microphones. This headphone has 2 microphones with AI enhanced clear call. Testing, testing, testing. This is a microphone test of the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone in the quiet environment. Subscribe to my channel and help the channel grow. Testing, testing, testing. This is a microphone test of the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone in a noisy environment. I am playing a coffee shop background noise. Let's see if this microphone can pick up my voice. The microphone is good. It does pick up my voice and block outside noise a little bit. I will give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 7 out of 10 for the call quality. The AI enhanced clear call claim is true. Now let's talk about the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode. The active noise cancellation is good, but the Soundcore claim that the Q45 headphone can cancel up to 98% of noise is not true. Honestly speaking, the ANC can cancel about 80% of noise, and that is still impressive. I will give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 8 out of 10 for the active noise cancellation. The transparency mode is good. It does pick up voices and your surroundings, but it is not loud enough. Even if it is set to the maximum, it doesn't give you that superhuman hearing that some headphones do give you, but voices sound more natural. I would give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 7 out of 10 for the transparency mode. Moving on to the audio quality of the headphone. The headphone supports AAC, SBC, and LDAC audio codecs. The default audio codec is AAC. When I tried the LDAC, the sound quality did not change. I think the LDAC is just for marketing. The headphone sounds good. It is very loud. The mids and the highs are there. The bass is strong and deep when you turn on the bass up feature. If you don't turn on the bass up feature, the sound is more detailed and the bass is weak. You can only use the bass up feature with the Soundcore signature sound setting. Here is a sound recording from the Q45 headphone at 100% volume. Connecting to the headphone using a wired connection affects the sound quality. The headphone is not loud and the bass is not strong using a wired connection. Don't use a wired connection if you want good sound quality. The headphone sounds good, clear and detailed without the bass up feature, but I don't agree with the highly detailed sound that Soundcore claim the Q45 headphone has. I will give the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone 6 out of 10 for the sound quality. In conclusion, the Soundcore Space Q45 headphone is great. I will give it a 4 star. The sound quality is not the best, and if you are not looking for a headphone with the best sound quality, then you will be happy with these headphones. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, comment below this video and I will always answer you. I hope to see you again next time.